Magandang gabi sa mga taong nakikinig sa akin ngayon. Hello, I am JC and nagbabalik ako sa inyo upang mag-share ng isang bagay na natutunan ko kaninang hapon. So, I wanted to journal this as this is a YouTube journaling channel and ayun. Earlier I was in the gym and I was lifting, you see. So, kasama ko tropa ko at saka naging okay naman yung pagbubuhat namin. Chest day ko. Chest day is my favorite day, but I haven't lifted in half a week, so I'm a bit off. So, ayun, hindi ko feel na feel. At wala akong masyadong motivation doon. Kasama ko tropa ko. Tropa kong matagal ko ng tropa, yung nakasama ko sa trippings. So, hindi naman siya yung naging dahilan kung bakit nagkaganto. Pero naramdaman ko sa sarili ko na, bro, nanghihina ako. Parang ayoko, hindi ko kaya itulak tong rep na to sa pinaka breaking point ko kumbaga. At naging problema yon kasi dati umaabot sa punto na ginagawa ko talaga yun regularly. Pushing past my breaking point and pushing through. Although, the main difference na mula noon hanggang ngayon is that noon meron akong active motivation. And outside from a bit of discipline, it was active motivation. And my motivation at the time was David Goggins. He was someone that pushed me to do my work every day, especially in physical pursuits. So that was what was on my mind all the time. Now na lumaki na ako, hindi na siya ganun ka-relevant sa buhay ko. And despite that, I still do the things that I set out to do. Nagbubuhat ako, tumatakbo ako, and yung napansin ko pinagkaiba because this day, I was particularly unmotivated. I only came with my friend to the gym and realized that I wasn't pushing hard enough. I left the gym unsatisfied. So that made me realize that there is something that pushing yourself is important, especially in the times that hindi mo talaga gusto. And isa to sa mga araw na yon na kailangan ko talaga ilag ngayon. Isa-share ko talaga sa inyo kasi isa siyang bagay na naging pinakadahilan para maging umasenso yung buhay ko. It's something na has been with me, at least the growing me, since the start. So, you shouldn't lose track of that, and that is about it. Thank you for listening to my short video. Peace.